2023 Volkswagen Golf R Review, for sale, redesign. The 2023 Volkswagen Golf R model features a high-performance variant and the new Golf GDI. The Volkswagen Golf R 2023 can bring the GDI's greater performance capabilities to life and has standard all-wheel drive. For 2023, the new Volkswagen Golf R 2023 offers new performance and technology. The Golf R 2023 will be available with an exciting AWD engine, as well as very impressive power specs. New Volkswagen Golf R 2023 design. The 2022 Volkswagen Golf R is the latest generation of electric cars. It continues to pursue electric vehicles and refuses to ignore the passionate few customers. The new Volkswagen Jetta GLI and Volkswagen Golf GDI, as well as the Volkswagen Golf R 2023, are in high demand. Rumors have it that the Ford Focus RS has retired permanently. This is the biggest foe of the 2023 Volkswagen Golf R. In the USA, the new Golf R 2023 features its own AWD hot hat segment. Exterior. The exterior of the new Volkswagen Golf R 2023 is very similar to the Volkswagen Golf GDI. However, there are some subtle differences in certain corners. An exclusive R front bumper features a motorsport-style splitter and an air intake grille in glossy black. There is also a blue bar above the radiator grille that has an LED strip that lights up when the engine starts. The strip extends all the way to the front, where it doubles as daylight. The 2023 Volkswagen Golf R features 19-inch aluminum wheels with summer performance tires, blue brakes calipers, and side skirts. The exterior cover features a matte chrome finish with the R logo and a standard sunroof. The Golf R 2023 hatchback is also 0.8 inches lower than regular Golf. It is finished at the rear with a bumper that uses a diffuser and a tailpipe. The standard sports exhaust system has twin chrome-plated tailpipes. There is also a roof spoiler. The 2023 Volkswagen Golf R rumors offers 3 exterior options: pure white, lapis blue metallic, and deep black pearl effect. Interior. The interior of the new 2023 Golf R is more sophisticated than ever thanks to digital controls and displays. Standard features include a Discover Pro infotainment and configurable digital cockpit instrument panels. A 10-inch touchscreen greets drivers upon entering with a personalized welcome display. The sport seats are modern and comfortable, with the driver and front passengers enjoying Nappa leather and a cool carbon fiber appearance. There are also blue side accents. Cool R logos are engraved on the back of this chair. The heated sports steering wheel, which is wrapped in leather, offers touch control and touch control. On each side, you will find the DSG transmission shift pedals. You can even select the driving mode you want directly from the R button. Notable standard items include brushed stainless steel pedal caps and ambient lighting in a total of 30 colors for the dashboard or door panels. Engine. The 2023 Volkswagen Golf R concept features a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with 315 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. This is an increase in horsepower and 30 lb-ft more torque than the previous model. In the US, the new Volkswagen Golf R 2023 will come with a 6-speed manual transmission. An optional 7-speed DSG dual-clutch gearbox is available. The engine's power will be directed to each of the 4 wheels by the VW 4Motion all-wheel drive system. This distributes power between the rear wheels, improving driving performance. The outer wheels can receive up to 100% of the torque at a narrow angle. This reduces understeer and improves handling. Its performance is impressive. The new Golf R 2023 can reach 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds, and a top speed of 155 miles per hour electronically, which may be electronically limited, is possible. It is faster than the Honda Civic Type R 2023, which took 5.7 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. However, it is FWD. The 2023 Golf R model has braking power thanks to 2-piston aluminum front brake calipers, which reduce mass by up to 60% each. The Golf R offers special and drifts driving modes, along with comfort, sport, and race. Safety assist. This may include adaptive vacation cruise control, lane retaining system, higher ray control and an automobile dimming reverse reflect. Crash tests have been positive for the 2023 VW Golf. Most variants of the 2023 VW Golf appear normal with crash avoidance energy security computer, and the smaller motor vehicle has performed correctly in crash tests. The 2023 Golf is rated at 6 out of 10. This makes it a good choice for the 5-star authority's crash test score. The IIHS hasn't examined the Golf's sudden emergency braking. It does not generate a high safety go. In the barrage of tests conducted by the insurance market-backed group, the Golf received mainly good scores. If they wish to assess its active protection technical, will make improvements. 2023 Volkswagen Golf for sale. The base S is reduced for, and the 2023 Volkswagen Golf Alltrack now includes in-front accidents warning, urgent automated brakes, blind area monitoring, and emergency braking. The sport wagon continues to increase in price. The price for your Golf starts at $21,845 hatchback, $22,995 sport wagon, and $26,895 Alltrack.